Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. The what if that I had was as follows. You may have noticed that XFCE gave us a big update, which in turn gave us a lot of work. And one of the selling points of ArcoLinux is that we have two different icon themes. I really hate an operating system that does not have a full-fledged icon theme. Some of them are out of tune or out of theme or just not present. So that's one of the things I would dislike about an operating system. So since we're in self-control of these icons, we create them as we need them. Now I had an idea of what if. Before I go there, that's the circular thing, right? There is also something more free in design, free in form, and that's Surfn. So here we start with Surfn and Surfn Arc, which gives us the possibility to do just anything we want, right? Some nice icons, but not circular, not with shading and all that. Now there are so many differences, variety coming off from Sardi, that I was working in one of them to make it even better, right? Because it's always very tricky, because if they change things in here and the icons are changed in here as well. So it's all it all matters. And I was thinking of the following idea: what if I showed you again in a video? Because I say again, because the Sardi icons are super flexible. You can mix them any way you see fit. You can create them. There are scripts about it. So we have Sardi installation, personalize, Sardi icons, flexibility, modularity. So basically what I'm gonna show you is modularity. It's not changing colors, which is great, that's flexibility, but modularity is putting Papyrus together with Sardi icons, putting Numix together with etc, etc. It's mixing things together, which is actually easy, and it's all explained on these videos and these articles. But it's a fun thing to do, right? Sardi Extra, you can have a look at these as well. So it is already documented. There are lots of videos, but I had a what if. So there we go. I would like to have the following. I was playing with Sardi Ghost Flexible. Sardi Ghost Flexible looks like this, which is great if you have something black, right? A black theme like ours, Arc Dark, is a great tool for that. If you have something white, of course, you won't see anything. Now, the thing is, I can't select the following. I can select Sardi Ghost Flexible Colora, which gives us the same here, but not in the file manager. So I should have opened a file manager. And I it's there. I don't like the icons, right? So Sardi Ghost Flexible Colora, and you might have the same idea and say, look, I love the Arc icons, and I still am not tired of looking at these Horst 3180 icons, which is great work you did. And could I combine these icons with the white ghost icons? That's the idea, and it's super simple if you know how to do it. So that's the video about. First of all, make sure you have a .themes if it's not there. So in your home directory, create the folder .themes, basically really with a dot in front of it. Then it's hidden. If it's hidden, then it's gonna be found. Strange, right? If it's hidden, then it will be found by Linux. Okay, so themes. What I like to do is go to the icons, which is in the user share icons. I like to get the Sardi Flexible Arc is a good start. Sardi Arc is a good start. It's all about Arc folders. That's essential. And where do I find them? Sardi Arc. It's just about one folder, places. That's it. If I can combine that one with something else, that would be great. So Control C, I copy paste this one or another, this one, also Arc. And then I go to the Sorry, not themes. Did I say themes? I did say themes. Dot icons, of course. Control V. Icons is separate from themes. Arc dark, arc theme, that's a theme. This is an icon. I need to rename this thing. I want to go for ghost. If we follow the naming convention, I would like a Sardi Ghost Flexible. Sardi Ghost Flexible. So I'm combining the white ones with an arc folder. That's my name. Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc should come in here. Okay, but you have to tell them. You have to say in the index theme, and this again is a video to show you how strong, how powerful this line number 4 is. Inherits. I say to the system, all good and well, but first find your images that you're missing in Sardi Ghost Flexible. No typos allowed. So let me check. Sardi Ghost Flexible. Sardi Ghost Flexible. Right? Capital letters, dashes. And then, if it's not there, then go to Sardi. I save this. I name it, of course, differently as well. Otherwise, we'll see Sardi Arc. Sardi Flexible. Ghost Flexible, actually. Ghost Flexible Arc. So the folder is called Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc. The name is Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc. The comment is unimportant. The inherits is super important. If you do not find, when I select this folder in my settings, you know, the settings here, when I select it in appearance later on, it will look first if there's an icon for it in Sardi Ghost Flexible, which means it's gonna be all white. If no icon there, then I should make one basically, but then you go for Sardi, then you go for Numix Circle, Numix Papyrus, Mocha Surfer. And if you don't have Mocha, if you don't have Papyrus, if you don't have Numix, it's just gonna jump it until it ends in high color. So that's the powerful thing about inherits. You never are without an icon. If you put a long line of in 4 here, inherits a super long line, you always end up with an icon. Maybe not the proper icon, the good icon, not in theme with your icon theme that you've chosen, but it will be something. At least you'll have an icon. All right, time to test it. Okay, so basically we've done nothing. We've done a copy paste and renamed some things. Fine. This needs to be reloaded. So going to appearance, icons, wait for it because it has to load a lot of things. Here it is, Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc. What happened? Well, this is cool. Nothing happens. It still looks cool. It still looks Horse 3180. And then you go to your menu and you say, oh my god, what happened here? And now we have a combo that was not there previously. It's that simple. All right, enjoy guys.